everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in to do Wreck This Journal Wednesday, and it's week number 18. However, I am recording this voiceover on Thursday because life just seems to be getting away from me at the moment, and there's not much that I can do in the way of making sure that life doesn't get in the way. So I am just going with the flow, and I'm going to keep this series called Wreck This Journal Wednesday, and it'll be uploaded whenever it gets uploaded. And I'll just keep the weeks as they are. So today I've decided to do, or not today, but earlier this week I decided to do Sleep with This Journal, Describe Your Experience. So this is Tuesday night. I decided to head to bed early because it was a manic day and I was falling asleep on the sofa. So I've left Charlie out on the sofa and he is watching some sort of series. So I decided to get into bed, and although this looks like me getting into bed, it is staged. I do get up in a second and turn off the camera. I just thought I'd give you a little peek into what I was doing. So I slept with the journal under my pillow that night, and although it says to describe the experience, I'm just going to write here about the dream that I had on the Tuesday night. Now I think the experience that or the dream I have is based on one of the days I had this week. I think it was the Monday that this happened. So my dream was I was at the doctor's surgery and I was waiting for the doctor to come out for my appointment, but instead my boss came out and picked up my file and then invited me to come into the room. And I don't know, do you ever get clippets of your dreams? But that was just a clip of my dream, so I don't know where it went from there. But I think it was Monday. My boss actually witnessed for the first time some of my heart palpitations. Now, I've been dealing with my heart palpitations since I was 16 years old, and I get them occasionally, and it's only in the last year that I've decided to monitor the heart palpitations and see how fast they go. So I got myself one of those little finger machines that you put on your finger and it tells you how fast it goes. And I've always wondered how fast it goes, and I get into the 200 beats per minute normally. In the last year I've managed to record a few, and what I do is when it happens I put the machine on and I lay down, because that's the only way I can get rid of the palpitations. It's something I've done since I was 16 years old, but yeah, I have noticed that in the last year that I've been recording 220 beats a minute, and Mondays was the highest at 248 beats a minute. So my boss witnessed this and she's asked me to go to the doctor because she doesn't think it's healthy. Of course it's not healthy to have 240 beats a minute, but it's just, I don't know. I don't really want to make the effort. I'm lazy to go back to the doctor. He's already told me there's a couple of options. I could either go on a pill for the rest of my life, or I could have it's like an operation that they go up through the artery in the thigh, and I think they burn some of the nerves in my heart to stop it from being overly excited, which is what I was diagnosed with in my 20s when I had all my heart exams done. So yeah, I was diagnosed with an overexcited heart. So I'm just printing a picture here of my little heart monitor. And so I think this one says, it says 243 beats a minute, but after the photo it went up to 248 beats a minute. Not that that matters, only an extra 5 beats a minute. So I don't know whether you know, but if you exercise and you get a good heart rate, you can get to 160, 190, I think. And that's a heart rate which is burning fat apparently. But yeah, I get into the higher rate. So I just wanted to share something in my diary or in my journal this week that I just don't want to go back to the doctor to make that decision. I don't want to be on pills for the rest of my life, and I also don't fancy going in for a surgery. So I know you guys are going to probably have a go at me, but I've dealt with it all my life. So I'm just not sure whether I'm likely to have cardiac problems because of it. I very much doubt it. I can control the palpitations by lying down. I can tell you how they started. I was sat at the staff room table and I was chatting with some girls from work, and I wasn't stressed. I think I started laughing because somebody said something funny, and I had food in my mouth at the same time, and I hiccuped, and then the palpitations started. So there you go. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you here. Thank you so much for watching this. It's just basically a recording of what happened this week. And let me know if you like the little mini excerpt into my life. Take care, everyone. Lots of crafty love, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.